This is a Porsche 970 Panamera Turbo. It's getting a clicking sound from the front suspension, and was told that it was my Rack and Pinion. That's a $2,000 piece. Probably cost $1,000 to put it on. Kind of got sick when I heard that, so I investigated putting it on myself and buying one and doing it myself. Got up under it and had my son turn the steering wheel a little bit while I feel around for what's going on with it. Come to find out, it was this screw right here. It was kind of loose, and the clicking noise came from when you turn the steering wheel. This screw would pop over this way a little bit, pop back that way a little bit, but it wasn't that much to be noticed. It was not easily noticeable unless you're staring at it. And this one was loose as well. I tightened both of them up. The clicking sound went away. Absolutely nothing wrong with it. It was just those two screws were loose, and it's working just fine now. Save $3,000. So if you got a clicking sound, and it might not be the upper control arms, it could be a loose screw, a mount screw on the rack and pinion. So check that first. Make sure those two bolts are tight. All right.